Hello friends, this is Team Novelas channel and in this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can fix Realme Narzo 50A Play Store not working or Play Store not downloading problem or any problem you are facing regarding Play Store in your Realme Narzo 50A. So before just starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for my latest videos. To fix Realme Narzo 50A Play Store not working or not downloading applications problem, simply first of all you just need to tap on settings. So first just tap on settings and then follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video.